got stuck! No!
God.
Oh, we're not one of them smelly.
What?
Did you see that?
What? Easy money. Oh, dude. I fucking pissed on Angry Anthony. What? What? What?